In the intricate world of food processing plants, precision and hygiene are paramount, especially in South Africa, where bustling cities like Pretoria and Johannesburg, along with provinces like Mpumalanga, demand special considerations for fire protection systems. Let's explore key factors for installing these systems in this dynamic environment. Maintaining impeccable hygiene is non-negotiable. The economic hub of South Africa, the Gauteng province, requires fire protection companies to commit to cleanliness. From installation to testing, adherence to strict hygiene protocols is imperative. Protective gear and regular training ensures alignment with stringent cleanliness standards. Wet fire sprinkler systems stand out as a reliable choice for food processing plants. These systems, filled with water under constant pressure, offer rapid response and reliability. In South Africa, where industries evolve continuously, minimal maintenance ensures consistent safety without disrupting daily operations. Wet systems also provide crucial protection against unique risks such as oil-related fires.
Air pressure testing procedures are instrumental in evaluating the integrity of a fire sprinkler installation before we introduce water. It is done to identify any potential leaks or weaknesses in the system. Being proactive ensures that the system is installed correctly and leak-free and ready to perform when needed. An air pressure test is usually done at 250 kPa for 24 hours. And once it passes, the system is filled with water and a water pressure test is done to 1800 kPa. If the air pressure test fails and leaks are detected, it is an opportunity to repair the issue before water is introduced into the system.
Minimizing downtime is critical. Coordination with fire protection companies is key to establish efficient shutdown times with minimal impact on production schedules. In the dynamic and sensitive environment of food processing plants in South Africa, fire protection systems play a pivotal role. By considering factors like hygiene, air pressure testing, and minimizing shutdown times, plant management can ensure effective fire protection without compromising operational efficiency. Communication and collaboration are critical to successful installations, ensuring the safety of both people and assets in these thriving cities. Effective communication and collaboration between food processing plant management and fire protection companies are fundamental. Comprehensive information about facility layout, production processes, and potential fire hazards is crucial for developing an effective project plan. Stay tuned for more educational videos from Elite Fire Protection, where safety first is safety always.